guys? You're welcome back to River FX. This is your first time coming onto this channel, then I suggest that you subscribe because I have lots of gems coming in through this channel. To get things started, this trading system I am going to drop completely for free. I am going to drop completely free. Be sure to watch the entire video because I will embed a password somewhere in this video, how to unzip this file, because I'm going to be dropping the file Telegram channel in zip format or RAR format. WinRAR, you can use WinRAR to unlock it. Pay attention, guys. We're going to go through how this strategy works and then what to look out for to take it a buy or a sell. So, sorry guys, I lost my voice. I'm coming down with something. I have a cold. So how do we enter? How do we enter? What we do is what we see. I have few indicators set up, the one that detects a double top and a double bottom, and we have this channel right over here. So if you're a trend line trader, then this is actually gives you um, sell and buy entries, because the indicator also does that for you. But then how do we trade using this? Well, what I look out for is for the formation, the double top formation to form, and it leaves an arrow. Sometimes this arrow tends to repaint. So the best thing you should do is try to wait for that arrow to close. Then you take your entries, your stops right above, and you ride. But before you take that entry, be sure to see that some of these align. You need to see this arrow, right? You need to see that this red is sharp like this. It's sharp. It's like you see right here. Sorry. You need to see it sharp like this. Good. And then you can take that entry. If you want, you can exit at the opposite signal, or you take your profits according to the previous swing low, and you see TP1, TP2 was hit. It's a nice entry. It's a nice entry. Please pay attention to the video, as I'm going to be dropping it completely for free. Pay attention to the video. Pay attention to the video. So let's see another entry. Okay, right here, we have a buy entry, buy signal right at the point. What would have waited to see was this green. After this broke out, it came back to test, then we had this green right here. Yes, I've taken our buy, stops right below here, and watch that market. That was going nicely in the direction. It have been in profit. Let me show you another one so that you see that it works. Now there's a double bottom. There's the first leg it gave. It created a second leg, but at that point there was no entry. Would have waited. Now at this point, give us an arrow for a buy. Yeah, normally we would wait, but although we already had this thick green right here, so would have entered on that. But if you were scared, you would have waited. Price pulled back around this zone and showed the up direction, and we had this green, we would have taken that entry. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. So far so good. We've tried 3 entries, none hit stop loss. Let's see, let's keep on going. Now we have this large double bottom right over here. First leg, second leg, we had our green, I had a buy, and was in profit. Let me try one more. This is a double top. Our arrow was formed right here, although we did not have red for a sell, so we may not have taken. But if you wanted to play a high risk, enter with small lots. So this is just it, guys. I will show you one more, but In the meantime, let me type out the password for this this trading system. So I'm going to password it as these gems. And so let's see. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete that. So I'll show you one more. Show you one more entry. We'll call it a day. Oh, what is wrong with charts? What is wrong? What's wrong? Okay. Sorry guys, I don't know what is wrong with my chart currently. It's okay. Yeah. I said I was going to give an example of one that failed, so that you would know that it is not all the time that it will win and also lose. So I'm looking at one right here, right, right here. So this entry, the first leg was formed, second leg here. They've taken the entry, your stops right above here, and you see taken out. But then there comes in the trend line. So you know how to take entries on a trend line if you're a trend line trader. So at this point, you saw that arrow right there on the trend line, and we saw the thick red that was printed before this happened. You could have taken this sell. Right now, you could have recovered what you lost over here. So that's just it. All I ask is that you leave a comment down below and please subscribe to my channel. That is one way to say thank you to me. That is the only thing that I require from you. You can join Telegram channel with link in the description of this video down below. If you want to be a member of the community, you can join so you can gain access to our free trading strategies that we drop from time to time. If you want to join our VIP, you can also join Telegram channel. Message me down below. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.